There's a certain fast casual Mexican eatery that I haven't been to since a little PR snafu they had, but I do miss their delicious cilantro lime rice. Luckily, it's very easy to make at home, and you can make it with something you would usually toss in the compost. So when we think about cilantro, we usually think about these little feathery leaves, but the stems actually have a ton of flavor in them, and we're gonna use them to flavor this rice. So the first thing we're gonna do, separate the leaves from the stems. You don't have to be super precise with this because you know what? It's okay if you get some leaves in there too. Then you take the stems, of course these are washed, and you're just gonna chop them up finely. And I wish you could smell them because they smell delicious. Then we're gonna take 3 cups of rinsed white rice. Got basmati. Dump that in there. Then you take your cilantro stems. Get those in there as well. Then we need a bay leaf, 3 cups of water. All right, we are ready. Get off. Get in there. Make sure that this is set to sealing, not venting. Just go with a manual setting. You could use the rice cooker setting, but I prefer this way. You want 3 minutes, and then you just walk away. Let it do its thing. Don't even look at it, don't talk to it. All right, so while we're waiting for our Instant Pot to come to pressure and cook our rice, we're gonna go ahead and juice the citrus. We've got some limes, but we're also gonna add a little lemon because that's kind of the secret to this Chipotle lime rice flavor. Even though it's called lime rice, the lemon kind of rounds everything out. So first we're gonna take our limes, and I like to just give them a little roll to get those juices flowing. Now that our Instant Pot has released all of its pressure naturally, we're gonna open her up. And we're just gonna take a plain old fork and fluff the heck out of this rice. And you just wanna break up anything that's clumped together. You wanna go ahead and remove the bay leaf. Go ahead and you'll add your juice. And fluff a little more. And just scoop it in a bowl. And you can top with more cilantro if you have it. I like to top mine with carnitas. And here we have it. Perfectly fragrant, slightly acidic, beautiful Chipotle lime rice without having to go to Chipotle. Hi, it's Claire. If you're also a little bit of a trash panda and would like to see more delicious content like this, be sure to like and subscribe somewhere around here. Thanks for watching.